In today's tutorial, we are going to take a look at the function of backspace key and delete key. So, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And on this channel, we talk about how you can do some basic stuff on your computer system and also teach you how you can make use of popular software that are in the market. Please like this video, share this video, and also check out previous video that has been uploaded on this channel. So let's get started. So what is a backspace? What is the function of backspace key? Every keyboard have a backspace key, but if you are using an on-screen keyboard, you might not see the name. Actually, now let me turn on the on-screen keyboard here. This is the backspace key on every keyboard, and if you check your keyboard very well, you will see something like arrow pointing back to the left. You will see a backspace key. So what is the function of a backspace key? A backspace key deletes the character to the left of the insertion pointer, which means if you want to delete a particular character, it's going to delete it to the left. Now, for an example, remember we have talked about insertion pointer in our previous video. So now this is where the insertion pointer is. That is after cover pages, comma, and then the insertion pointer is very close to hand. Now, if we press on backspace key, it's going to delete the character towards the left. So let's see. Now I'm deleting it now, so it's deleting the character one after the other to the left. You see that the hand is still there, but the pages, the cover will be deleted. So that is the function of backspace key. So now for an example, let's say at this very place with your current document, look, I want to delete this place. So, and probably if my pointer is here and then my intention is I want to delete with your current document, look, and then my pointer is here, if I press on backspace key, it will not delete it. It will delete this coordinate. The reason is because the backspace key is actually before width, and backspace key will delete back to the left. Now let me press Ctrl Z to bring it back. So now if you want to delete this certain with your current document, you make sure that your backspace key, the insertion pointer, is actually at this very side, and once you click on it, it will delete to the left. I believe you understand. So now let's move to delete key. What is the function of delete key? This is delete key. You will see DEL. Delete key deletes the character to the right of the insertion pointer. That is, whenever you use delete key, it's not going to delete it to the left, it's going to delete to the right. So now this is our insertion pointer. Now if I press on delete key, it's going to delete towards the right. I believe you can see what I'm trying to explain at this very place. It's deleting it towards the right. So now for an example, now let's say I want to delete quick style, and then my insertion pointer is here. If I hit on delete, it's not going to delete quick style. It's going to delete according to the right. It's going to delete the next paragraph. Are you getting it? So if I want to delete quick style, just put your insertion pointer here and then you click on delete. So that is the difference between the backspace key and then delete key. And also if you want to delete a word, backspace key deletes a character. So now if I want to delete a word, probably I want to delete header, and then I put my insertion pointer here, just hold on Control key here and then you press on backspace key. It's going to delete the word. Actually, you see it has deleted the header. So now for delete key also, you can do the same thing. Put your insertion pointer to what you want to delete, hold the Control key and then you click on delete. It's going to delete the word when it deletes the word. And also if probably you don't want to be using that, you can make use of highlight. So what is highlight? Just drag your mouse to what you want to delete. Now for example, I want to delete inside. I put the mouse here and then I just click on it. I double click it, click on insert, and then I can click on delete. I can click on backspace and then it has been deleted. So those are the way in which you can delete your text using either backspace key or delete key. But you have to note that backspace key deletes character to the left of the insertion pointer, while delete key deletes character or word to the right of the insertion pointer. I believe you have gained one or two things from this short lesson. If so, please consider subscribing to this channel, share it to your friends and family. So hurry up and see the previous video that have been uploaded on this channel. Good day.